This is the Bluebird, a travel transit chair with a unique folding design. The Bluebird has an innovative folding mechanism which allows the wheelchair to fold in on itself into a remarkably small, easy-to-lift package. To fold the chair, remove the footrests, press the release paddle on the half-fold back mechanism, release the armrests and lift the chair by the two straps on the seat. The chair has an aluminium frame and weighs just 10 kilos. When folded down, the Bluebird can be stored away in its own carry bag, ideal for lifting the chair in and out of a car boot whilst leaving more room for luggage. The Bluebird is a transit chair and has comfortable handles fitted with easy-to-squeeze brakes. The Bluebird, part of the wider range of travel chairs from CareCo. For more details, visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.